dressed up party like we always would, always did. Then somehow started smoking on her chick, acting like a dick, because we is the shit. She calling me a prick while she fantasizing about fucking me and my clique, telling me she wants the videotape it. Yeah, she wants to remember us get naked. She said this is the first time she didn't fake it, and if I ever wanna, I can take it. She prays that you make it. Shake her ass in the titties in your face, kid. Smooth as silk, that female skin. Let's go to the back of the body shop and let the fucker begin. I'm a player that plays to win. Did I say that I'm in, or did I say that I'm in? No need to bend the brim. Birdie Mac and Tupac are pouring out the gin. Seeing that I'm going out like Birdie and bump the rim. Flowing out my blood smoke as the bullets I penetrate. Count cash, looking past my last enemy with the last. No longer surrounded by fake friends, and I'm with my family at last. Looking down on all my enemies, pissing on their ass. Look, they wanna be me. I am erased from my mission and your reason to rhyme. Go to the library, strengthen your mind. There's a lot more to learn in this life of crime. You're walking down the block, just flipping the dime. Do or die, get rich or die trying. I know stupid that America's been industrialized, but I know this dream I'm gonna find. So I'ma continue to mine. Keep my diving on the line while I'm keeping the rhyme. Seeking your mind, seeking the line. Speaking and seeking, finders, losers, keepers, losers, losers, reapers, oh jeepers, please be Jesus. Polices with warrants and seizures. My mom's so nervous she busted in the seizures. My baby's crying, my dog losing its mind. You are wasting my time because I ain't no criminal. Fuck at the pinnacle, I ain't being cynical. Puffing on the blunt, gripping on a pistol, or looking out the window. Put it to your chin and the rest is subliminal. Wish you didn't give it your minimal. You start to criticize your life when you laying in critical. Your life is playing like a video. Here we go, hip hop, sell, coke and blow to your own. Keep them on the phone with the Jones, inspiring on my poems. On the Empire Stone, stones, rice loads in the cycle. Fresh cover bones, trying to recycle the cycle. Our families need to save paper while they await in heaven. I'm speaking to the deacon, I'm speaking to the reverend, I'm speaking to the next president. If he proves that he cares about the residents. This little girl selling pussy out there cause her father didn't care. The mother wasn't there cause she had to prepare for not being prepared. The block was squared, you can't always tell what's coming around the corner out here. The circle isn't there, on the TV I appear, and you stay worried about what you wear. How's your hair? Life ain't fair, I don't really care. Could you be there if I wasn't rich? Let me think about this. Throwing your kiss, baby, lick your lips as you look at this. Riding with old school players and new school fools, breaking jewels, living by mortal rules. Fucking with someone got something to prove. Hot as the tropics in the summer, cold as the pole in the winter. I'm somebody that you're gonna remember. Everybody here is a winner. We just got different goals. You're tip the toe, but one split the toe. You're quick to go, tiptoe when you close the show. I'm hip and you know you're hopping on the bandwagon. You look like a runaway inmate, the way your pants sagging, and the way you're bragging about how you're outclassing. You need to listen to the wise dragon, cause they perish in crooks. These streets that eat you up real fast. You ain't gonna last long. Play on. It's the same old song. Yeah. Dusk till dawn, baby. 24/7.